Ashley Aylor here, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you here. In today's episode, we are going to be discussing the new Instagram feature called Instagram Guides. Now, you may be wondering, what are Instagram Guides? How do you use Instagram Guides, and how do you set them up, or what good are they for your business and for your Instagram page? If you are interested, then stay tuned, and that's what we're going to be covering. But first, if you have never met me before or seen me before, like I said, my name is Ashley Aylor, and I help network marketers and online entrepreneurs grow and skyrocket their business using the latest marketing strategies that are working today. So let's go ahead and hop right on into it. So what are Instagram Guides? First of all, they were released in May of 2020, earlier this year, and they were released for creators and those who had established pages on the Instagram platform. But just the other day, they were released for all of us. So I began to realize that I was seeing other people, other business pages using these. And so I kind of dug in to see what the fuss was about, what the value of them is. And first, I want to say that anytime Instagram releases any new feature, you need to know, first of all, that you need to learn it immediately, because they want you to utilize their feature. Because one, they're going to give you a little bit more, not favor, but they're going to favor your posts a little bit more over people who are using outdated, or not outdated, but older features, because it's going to pop up more in the Explorer feed or in people's threads or on the home page, because you are utilizing the latest features. So the guides were originally created for maybe a travel guide, but how do we work these into our business, right? So the one way is maybe, like for me as an Instagram coach and someone who helps people with marketing strategies, maybe I want to help create a guide, and I'm going to be creating a guide of all Instagram related tips to help people monetize. Or maybe it's a guide to help people break the algorithm or hack the algorithm so that it works in their favor. Or maybe you are into healthy cooking or keto. Maybe it could be keto desserts, maybe keto lunches, and you can create guides so it's one central location. And the really cool thing about this is now, just like on your home page, when you go to someone's page, they have the option to look at all your reels, it's section off, the IGTVs are section off, your grid, all that stuff. Well, now we also have guide as well in the mix, and then of course your highlights. And so the value of it is, this is essentially creating evergreen content. Of course, your content is always there if you post it, but they would have to scroll down forever to find it. So this is one central location where you can create long-term content that you want to be there for long term. Maybe it's something that's going over even a course of yours or a specific product or whatever. It's going to help you drive more sales to these things, whatever it is, because it is in one central location, and it's a way to educate and kind of feature it a little bit more. Maybe you're a travel vlogger or someone with a travel Instagram page. You could take advantage of it, like your top 5 favorite places to visit when going to Colorado, or when going to whatever, a certain cruise, or whatever the scenario is. As you can see, there's just so many ways that you can take advantage of it. And the next thing I wanted to go over, of course, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create one and why we want to create one. We've already gone over. And then of course, it's a great way to showcase products, travel, whatever that may be. Okay, so hold tight with me. I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your very first guide. Over how you can create your first guide. So we're on the home page. Then what we're going to do is we're going to hit this plus at the very right hand corner, and you'll see where it says guide. Click on guide. Now you get the option to choose whether you want to create a places guide. Maybe it's a place, a city or place or whatever. Maybe it's a product you want to showcase, or your posts in general. So I'm going to click on posts, and let's say I want to help people on growing their Instagram. So you would be able to select whichever post related to what you are creating the guide for. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit next. Then you can actually change your cover photo depending on which one of your photos that may be relevant to the guide. You can post that. So let's just say I'm wanting to showcase helping people with their Instagram and hashtags. Then you get to title it. So you could say IG or Instagram growth tips, you could do that. Then you can add a title to every single post or reel or whatever it is that you're featuring. So that way they are sectioned off. And then you get to basically showcase this. And then what you'll do is you'll just hit next and you'll save it. And then you will see your very first guide underneath the guide tab in your home feed. And it is as simple as that. All right, so that's it. It is that simple. I just showed you how to create your very first guide. So now you can get your creative juices flowing based on content that you've maybe created in the past. You can go ahead and create that first guide. I would love to see it. I would love to hear about it. So let me know below. Did you create your first guide? And if you need more tips and tricks, then be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the like and the bell so you're notified with every weekly episode that I put up. And if you need added or additional assistance on how to grow and uplevel your Instagram and to really just monetize it for your business and get clarity on your brand and how to use the platform as a whole, then go ahead and click the link below. You can book a 20-minute free discovery call with me where we just chat all things related to your goals and just lay them out so that way we can execute them. All right, you guys have an amazing day or night whenever you are catching this. Until next time, I will talk to you guys later.